Okay, here we are back again. I'm gonna have to go in the house and try and load these up on the web. What do they call it? Internet Wi-Fi. The other one had a problem loading up. Anyway, just came back on to show you a quick finished job here. Okay, there's Sadie. There's my dog. Hear that? My dog. There's my dog. Hi, Sadie. Come here, honey. Come here. Hi, honey. Good doggy. My dog. How appropriate. Anyway, get the showing you that. Here, we finished cast iron. It's come out pretty good. Mailbox for what it is. See if I get any sad remarks from people, because that's all I do is criticize. But I've been doing cast iron for years. Been doing it for years with lots of success on heavy industrial equipment to what happens to be your mailbox post. So let's go in the house and see what happens with loading this stuff up. See if I missed the first one. Turn that off. Come on, Sadie. And my glasses. Oh, there's, is he much better looking now? The handsome devil that he is. Bethlehem Police Department wants cops. I think I'm gonna go apply. See if I become a Bethlehem copper. Drive around in my black and white, the lights flashing and the siren on, going rear, 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 so I can be a dick like other people. Let's go warm up, Sadie. Come on. Okie dokie. Oh, the snow, the snow. I can't wait for springtime. I really can't. It's not too bad out here today, though. Have a nice day, folks.